Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make use of the Excel big data method to append data collection each month. Say, for example, this Inside Airbnb website, right, which provide information on Airbnb of various cities in different months. They even show archive data here, but because those files in zip format is in monthly basis. So if we would like to carry out time series analysis, we have to append them together. If you download this zip file and then open it, they are in CSV format. Yep, so here I showed you, say, for example, scripted in February 2021, and in each month, there are several thousands of Airbnb listing in Hong Kong. Let's show you if we only interested in extracting and appending the Airbnb ID, the scrap day, the neighborhood, and the price. Right, then click data, get data from file, from workbook, and you can import, right? Because there are many months data. So here, let me show you. If I try to import January 2020 data, well, since I do not need the whole file, so I click transform data, then I choose column, and I just need 4 columns and the price and neighbor. Yeah, so it will show you whether these 4 columns are you want to import. If yes, then close. Yeah, then now sheet 2, import the 4 chosen column. Now say, for example, I would like to append these 2 months data onto the periods data file updated to 2019 December. Let me show you how to do that. Click data, get data, combine queries, append, and we choose 3 or more table. Then we choose the table to be appended, including the append for the updated one to 2019 December, and then we choose January and February of 2020 to append to the append for data. Click OK. Then it shows, right, the 4 column appended. If correct, then click close and right, there are 190,000 records here. That's it.